So George and I are at our hotel room, our stunning hotel room. Absolutely love it. And we are just about to get ready to go on a walking tour. And for all of those people out there that love a little bit of dark tourism or you're into the ghost stories, I managed to find a haunted pub crawl tour that takes you to these old bars or old pubs, should I say, here in Boston, and they give you the history and some ghost stories and some haunted stories about these pubs. So I'm really looking forward to that. It's not something I've ever done before, and if I'm honest with you, I am a little bit of a scaredy cat. I'm quite skittish, so I'm hoping it's not going to be too spooky. But it is October, and I figured this is way out of my comfort zone, completely different to anything I usually do, and I've always wanted to come to Boston, so I wanted to experience something that's out of the norm, and this is definitely hitting the spot for that. So I will link the company details below in the description for you guys, and hopefully we have an amazing time, and yeah, hopefully you'll be able to see some stuff. The tour is at night, so I don't know how visible everything's going to be, but I'm going to try and film as best as I can so that you guys get a proper experience and you can see it for yourselves. George and I are doing late night munchies. After the pub crawl, we're a little bit hungry, and we stopped at this last point. We're having some beef sliders, very predictable. George got me a little dessert, which is apparently a Boston cream.
Boston cream.
A Boston cream.
Original.
The original.
More or less the original. But it's close.
I'm gonna put
Booze
this
piece.
Oh my god, is it raining?
That's so good. That's so good. Boston cream in Boston. Yeah. Morning. So, quick update of our haunted pub crawl tour last night. We ended up being the only two people on the tour, so we got a very specialized exclusive tour. and it actually happened to be really fun. We got to see some really interesting parts of Boston. The pubs that we went to, or the taverns that we went to, had lots of history and accountings for hauntings. It was great. I loved every moment of that, and the tour guide we had was really knowledgeable, and he was quite comfortable with just George and I being on the tour. And towards the end of the tour, you know, it just worked out so great. We ended up at the last pub that we were on the official tour of. We ended up getting a couple of drinks, George and I. We got some food, and there happened to be a live performance, some musician that was playing there. So it actually just ended up being such a vibe on a Monday night, even though it wasn't super busy. And I would imagine these pub crawl tours are a lot more fun if it's like hustle and bustle of the weekend. But if I'm honest with you, it was actually perfect. Everywhere we went, there was like a little vibe, but it wasn't too dead, you know, even though it was a Monday night. So yeah, George and I had a great time. Now we are ready, we're about to leave, and we're going to see the aquarium. So apparently the aquarium in Boston is really beautiful. I'm really looking forward to seeing that. So we've got that planned for today, and then we are going to be going to Quincy Market, which is one of the biggest markets and oldest markets, I think, in this part of the States. So I am really looking forward to seeing that. I think there's going to be some quirky things to try. I have to try a cannoli in Boston, you know. And yeah, that's the plan for the day. I'm really looking forward to it. We've lucked out on the weather. It's absolutely gorgeous. So we have a great day planned ahead. I'm sad that we're only here for 2 nights, but this has been awesome so far, and I absolutely love our hotel room. It is so beautiful. We ended up getting upgraded. What an absolute treat. So all round, this has been absolutely magical. We are now trying to find the aquarium. Our train was delayed, so we're a little late, but we are on our way. It is such a beautiful day, and look at this city skyline.
Real quick, 10 push-ups. Let's give them some encouragement.
Woo!
Mark it, set, go. Just kidding, that was a joke. I can't believe all 4 of them fell for it. Thanks for playing along. You're good sports. I do need your help. Come on over here. Alright, not only am I going to be riding a 12-foot unicycle, I will also attempt to juggle 3 very different and difficult objects. The first is that super light, shiny red club. The second, a very dirty torch. And the third, the most dangerous object, a razor, sharp knife. This lady wants a photo, get a good one. I can't believe she took it. For $10. Alright guys, it's very important you don't let go or move your feet until I tell you to. So yeah, foot underneath and then lean it a little left, a little forward, a little left, and then yeah, just don't push on that thing. And a little more forward. Awesome. Alright guys, nice and strong. This is a lot scarier than it looks. I'm trusting 5 guys that I just met, and one of them is drunk. And I think another guy might be high. Alright guys, look up. Merry Christmas. I can't believe some of them looked. I know that this part looks really awkward, so no photos, please. Kind of looks like I'm in Ireland. Alright, lean it a little bit back. Yep, a little more back. A little more back. A little bit more. A little to my right. And a little more back. I do apologize. Sometimes when I get nervous, I go pee-pee. Oh, wait. Stay holding on. On the count of 3, I want everyone to run as fast as you can, except for the guy holding the pole. You're gonna stay, the other 4 guys, I'm not kidding, as fast as you can, but when you run, make sure that you let go. Slowly remove your feet from the wheel. Yep, both feet from the wheel. Lean it a little back. Count of 3 as fast as you can. Pull, guy, you're gonna stay. 1, 2, 3, let go, let go, let go. Big round of applause for all of our volunteers. Wow, thank you.
So George and I went to the aquarium today, which was awesome. It takes about an hour and a half to go through. You can do it a little bit slower, I guess, but it was more than enough time. The exhibits, the fish, it was really beautiful. It's right on the water's edge, and it's like an 8-minute walk to Quincy Market, so it was perfectly located and we had an amazing time. Unfortunately, I am starting to feel like I'm getting a little bit of a cold. So we walked around Quincy Market. I couldn't resist. The weather was so gorgeous today, and we decided we were going to enjoy it as much as we possibly could. I got some cold medicine, and we got some stuff from Quincy Market, so we got some food. We did a little bit of sightseeing, and we decided we were going to come back, and I am now in my hotel gown. Who doesn't love enjoying a hotel gown? And we're going to enjoy all of the treats that we got from Quincy Market and watch a little bit of telly. I'm going to take some medicine just so that I can feel a little bit better. I'm a little bit bummed that I have now decided to come down with a bit of a head cold, but it's just one of those things, unfortunately. And I'm determined to still enjoy the little bit left that we have of being in Boston. It's been such an amazing trip so far. I have fallen in love with the city. It is so beautiful. I love that it still feels like a city, and yet it doesn't feel like I'm in the midst of Manhattan. And don't get me wrong, Manhattan is absolutely epic, but it's a little bit smaller here. There's so much history, not that there isn't in New York, but I don't know, it's slightly different, you know. And being able to enjoy this, it kind of feels like Cape Town, I'm not gonna lie. The area that we went to for the aquarium feels almost exactly like the V&A waterfront, which was absolutely awesome, so I was kind of taken aback by that. but we've had such an awesome time, and I will show you guys what we got, because best believe I had to get the things that Boston is famous for. So keep watching and I'll let you know if the food is good. So George got a beef sandwich, which looks absolutely delicious, a salad, and I got a lobster roll, and we are watching Suits, currently obsessed.
This thing doesn't want to open, man.
We got some dessert as well. We got some yummy cannolis. Yum, so excited to try that. And we've got this very pretty view to enjoy. Bon appetit. So it is time for us to check out of this gorgeous hotel, and if I haven't mentioned it before, we were staying in the Culinary Hotel, which is like in the central part of Boston. Absolutely stunning hotel. We're done. I am so sad to be leaving, and if I'm honest with you, I am feeling absolutely horrible. This little head cold has really gotten me down and out. So I'm sort of glad we're leaving, because if I had to have spent more time in Boston and not be able to really enjoy it, I'd be even more devastated. Update though on the lobster rolls and the cannolis. I've come to realize I'm not really much of a lobster roll fan. Don't get me wrong, it was really nice. I just didn't enjoy the lobster, and I really do enjoy seafood. I just didn't enjoy the lobster roll at all. So hey, at least it's an honest review. The cannolis were really nice, and we even got like a little chocolate lava cake, which was absolutely delicious. But anyway, I digress. It is time for us to leave now, and I hope you guys have enjoyed this vlog, and please remember to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.